This was a good haul. So I got the Vans protein waffles. I seen a girl on YouTube try it. She's like a weight loss. I want to say her name is Vanessa. The girl name. She lost like 200 pounds naturally. It's on the tip of my tongue. I'm gonna leave her name right here. That's how I figure out names. I just spitfire random names, and then it eventually comes to me, but it's not coming to me now. I'm tired. So these are the Vans Power Grains is now protein waffles. These are frozen. Honestly, I just wanted to try them. 10 grams of whole grains, 10 grams plant-based protein. No high fructose corn syrup, no artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives. So yeah, and I feel like a lot of vegan meals are nothing but carbs. It's kind of like, well, what am I doing? Then I got the Beyond Meat Beyond Breakfast Sausage. I've had like Beyond Burgers before. I bought the actual Beyond Beef before. It tastes fine to me. Now, a lady on Instagram saying that we shouldn't even be eating this stuff if you're a vegan. I'm not saying I'm a vegan. I'm messing around with some things. But she said Beyond Meat is trash and we shouldn't consume it. If it's healthy, is it healthy or is it not? Like, I can't do these games, okay? It's not making sense to me. Made from plants, just egg. So I've been wanting to try this for a minute because I have not been eating eggs. The thought of it, used by April 26th. I guess that ain't too bad. So yeah, I want to make breakfast. I don't know, sometimes I'm just in a mood for breakfast food. So Saturday morning, make some waffles, make some sausage, make some eggs, get my life together. Then I just said I was low carb, but you know, I ain't sticking to no meal plan right now. Honestly, I'm not, so don't judge me. This is the sour cream and onion 365 potato chips. And I got this from the ground up cauliflower crackers. I think I've had these before, but they was in the shape of stars. And keeping it real, made with real cauliflower. Snacks with a plant-based twist. So veggie pack goodness, explosion of flavor. They were pretty decent. Now they got some fake Cheez-Its, but I just was like, yeah, I'll just pick whatever, because they was the same price. It's almost like a joke. Okay. Yeah, I had these before, I think. I can get with that. Then I got me some bacon, because it's not real bacon. This is the Benevolent Bacon Righteous Meats Hickory and Sage. Now for $6. Did I put my receipt in here? For $6 motherfucking dollars. Oh, so it's seitan. I don't know what I thought this was, but it's basically like seitan. That's supposed to be like beef. So I was gonna have this one day, and then I was like, you know, I want me a breakfast sandwich. A breakfast sandwich. So I'm gonna have my bacon, I'm gonna have my egg. I need to get some bread. Aldi's has like this keto bread. I've been meaning to stop at Aldi's and have me a bacon and egg breakfast sandwich one day. Did I just touch this and touch my eye? No. Did I? Oh, gross. So yeah, I hope this is good, because I am Tabitha Brown. Y'all know I did a full day of vegan eating based off of her recipes. I'll leave that video right here. She says that this is pretty good, so I went ahead and tried that. Now I like yogurt, okay? So I got some almond milk, non-dairy yogurts. They only had this in mango. I'm not the biggest fan of mango. I wanted to try, I seen this pack of dried mangoes, but they was $10. And I just feel like I need to try that when somebody else paying for it, or maybe it's like catered or something. I don't know. I just ain't paying $10 for something I don't know if I'm gonna like. But you know, that's all this is, because I ain't never had none of this except the Beyond sausage and the yogurt. This is the salted caramel cluster cashew milk non-dairy ice cream. I meant to get a spoon because we're gonna try some of this stuff on camera. Cause why not? I don't gotta go to work. I don't gotta work tomorrow. Tastes like real cow milk was used, but you know. That's good. This was a good haul. This was a good haul. Pink lemonade plus B vitamins, nutrient enhanced water beverage. So basically this ain't lemonade. This fake too. I thought this was regular lemonade and they just added some vitamins to it, but it's just flavored water. I'm up parched. Let's try this pink water, cause it ain't I ain't read that in the store, cause I would've left this. Well, I'm shaking this up for like this a mystic. It ain't gonna change nothing. Oh, smells pretty. Yep, that's water. That is not pink lemonade. That's why it's $1.89, because it ain't got, it's a regular water. Then I got some Mykonos, cheese, cheddar cheese, strong cheese, sharp cheese, farmhouse cheese. Okay. Shit, why did I do that? I'm so dumb. Made with oat milk, navy, and garbanzo beans. Well, I already opened it, so let's just try this cheese randomly. I know it's crumbly as all hell. Look at that. Yeah, it look like shredded paper. It smells like regular cheese. Did I have this brand before? No, I had Daya. Wow. Wow. That's good. It tastes like regular cheese. I was struggling with cheese, so I just stopped making meals that require cheese. But that wasn't bad. Okay, okay, so this was $5.99 too. Now the girl that I've been watching off and on for like I don't know how long, she said I just don't budget vegan cheese in my grocery bill because it costs too much. It does, but like it's trial and error. That's why I ain't really tripping. Koi, I don't know. Cuckoo nut. I would like it if it said cuckoo, because clearly I'm twisted. Cuckoo nut. Cuckoo nut body oil, because we're about to get into some shower routines. Can I take this back? We're gonna pray on this, because it smells like almond oil, but sweet. Like sweet almond oil, but way sweeter than the original sweet almond oil. It smells good, but it's not like, it ain't wild with me. But we'll try it on body, and if we don't like it, it will be going back, because this was $8.99. Then I bought the Kite Hill dips. When I was looking at the vegan dairy products, this girl came up and got some cheese, and I'm like, well, which brands do you like or whatever? And she said, anything by Kite Hill, you will not miss regular sour cream or regular cream cheese. They taste delicious. Like, she was so sweet. She was telling me about the cheese, and I was like, okay, thank you. And then she walked off, and she came back and was like, get this brand, try this is good. So girl, if you ever see this, lashes was beautiful, okay? And she had blue hair, and y'all know that's my color. So she said Kite Hill makes good stuff. So this is the French onion dip made with almond milk yogurt. Loosey goosey. It's loose. Loose booty. Oh, it looks so ugly. Girl, what's the expiration date? Because I know y'all ain't sold me no old shit. Okay, let's try these. I've never had Whole Foods chips. A chip is a chip. Okay, a chip is a chip. A chip is a chip. You know they say vegan stuff be looking nasty, but you know, I'll try it. It jiggles. Okay. Wow. 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 That tastes like a regular French dip. I'm surprised. Wow. Wow. This is good. That is good. Like, you would never think it was made with almond milk. Yes, come on, vegan food that tastes real.